Let me welcome you to the most amazing tool today that's called Google Extractor. Now, as it sounds like what it does is primarily it is one of the extension that is there on your computer, whether it's a Mac or a Windows. It works on both. And it actually gets you the real-time data. It's something like whatever is available in the map. Like let's say if you go to the Google map and just search, the restaurant near me or teachers near me or anything for that matter, like so the data comes in, but that's not something which is a usable data because just can't keep on writing every number and then input that particular number, key in that particular number within in the Excel sheet and thereafter start sending them the WhatsApp or SMSs. So today what we require is that in a tabular form, the data should actually appear so it is usable. So this instrument allows you to do exactly the same. And it's like B2B. Let's say you're a parenting coach and want to promote, want to actually help the students and the parents. You want to find out the data of a tutor and a teacher where you can actually have some kind of a commercial arrangement with them. You can very easily find out for any part of the world, be it India, be it UAE, be it China, be it USA, anywhere for that matter, wherever the Google works, I think that is something which is working for you, right? So it's very easy. I will give you a demo for that. How does it really work for you? So let's get into the screen. All right, so now you're on my screen and you can see for anybody, if you want to extract the data, you can. So the best way to do it is to first you need to actually identify the category. For example, I'll first say clearer data and then I want to basically have the data of the tutors and also teachers. Okay. And let's say since I am in Delhi, so I'll say Delhi and Dubai. Okay. Dubai. So these two places. So what I'll do is I'll just start extracting. I'll just have to click this. All right. Now you see it'll start extracting the data one by one. So tutors Delhi, that is the first thing that's showing me. And you just leave it and then get into your own work. You don't have to worry about it. After once you have the data of, 1,000 people, 500,000 people, maybe towards the, after a few hours, you can just check what is the total data that has come in. So the data is the first thing that has to come in, and this is like 90% correct data. Google deletes the data, the numbers which are not correct or which are not used for a very long time. So the Google deletes that particular data. So this is a real-time data. And for any category that you can think of, I mean, it is obviously B2B. If you want to have a data of the students, you can't really get out of it, right? But then it's a B2B, whatever is available in the Google. So this extracts the data into the tabular form. You can see the tutors, Delhi, this thing, all that stuff is available. Then you have the complete details of it. What is the rating, all that stuff. And even the phone numbers are coming, right? So everything is there. I can say stop extracting, okay? And then I say download. So that 23 data that has come in, which has been drawn from 20 sites, is something that is getting downloaded. This is downloaded to the same format which is visible to you, right? Okay, so now if I say clear data, and I want to have the data of tutor data, this time I just want to have the data from, let's say, Dubai. Okay, I want to do the international marketing. So you don't have to invest in dirhams, you just have to say start extracting. And now you see the numbers that are coming to you are from Dubai. It'll start extracting the data from that particular country. So it's so nice that even if you want to go international, you don't really have to worry about where you're going to get the numbers from. You have the numbers, and then comes in the second point where you are going to do the marketing through a WhatsApp. So how do you send the messages through the WhatsApp without having your number banned? So that is through the WhatsApp marketing, and that is something that definitely we have a separate video made for that. But this is something which is a simple demo of what this simple tool can do for you to get the data in abundance, even you can't think of it. It's an unlimited data that it can come in. That get it now and extract as much as data that you wanted so that you have sufficient data and the real-time data to basically market your programs and services. Thank you so much. And I'm sure you would have found this tool as one of the most important business tool for you today.